What's up, guys? It's Tech Enthusiast here, back with another awesome review. If you're looking to grab this 100W Touchable Sound Bar at a heavy discount, make sure to hit the link in the description. You're going to want to check this one out. So today, we're diving into the 100W Touchable Sound Bar, and this thing is all about delivering that immersive cinema sound at home. It's got an integrated 2.0 channel setup that really enhances your home entertainment experience. Now, the cool part is that this sound bar comes with a subwoofer port. So, if you've already got an active subwoofer lying around, you can connect it and take your bass to the next level. But even without an external sub, the built-in subwoofer gives you those deep, low-end frequencies that add serious depth and realism to your audio. The 100W power output on this thing is no joke. You're getting high power for that immersive sound experience. And what I love is the distortion-free stereo. So no matter how loud you crank it, the sound stays crystal clear. Now, let's talk design. The compact and stylish build of this sound bar means it'll fit seamlessly into pretty much any room. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or even a small office space, it's going to look good and blend in. Audio quality is where this sound bar shines. You've got a built-in subwoofer, so no need for an external one if you're looking for balanced sound. The highs are crisp, the mids are clear, and the lows have that punchy power that you'd expect from a high-end system. For those who want that cinematic experience, the virtual surround sound is on point. You're getting a wider soundstage that feels like the audio is coming from all around you, thanks to advanced audio technology. It really does a great job of expanding the sound and making sure it's distributed evenly throughout the room. Setup is super easy, and the user-friendly features make this sound bar a breeze to operate. It comes with a remote control, so you can sit back, relax, and control everything from a distance without getting up. Overall, the 100W Touchable Sound Bar delivers big on sound, style, and functionality. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or just looking for a better way to enjoy your music, this sound bar checks all the boxes. Don't forget to check out the link in the description if you want to snag one at a discount. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and awesome content. Catch you in the next one.